Hey guys, how's it going? How to resolve Wi-Fi connection problems on iOS 18.1.1. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi connection issues, what you're going to do is swipe down to your control center, make sure that you shut down the iPhone and reopen it again by long holding the right thumb to open up the lock screen to open up the iPhone once again, all right? Power cycling both devices, can clear temporary glitches. Make sure that you toggle the Wi-Fi settings on, like by going to the settings, go to the Wi-Fi from here, and make sure that you turn off and on again, and basically reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. Alternatively, enable and disable the airplane mode to refresh connections from toggle on the airplane mode, and just make color it gray so you can, or disable it so you can fix that problem. And basically what you're gonna do next, if the problem persists, make sure that you forget and reconnect the network. Just go ahead to the specific network that you're currently using. Let's have example this one, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the exclamation or the I button with the circle, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click forget this network and reconnect again by adding the password, okay? And reset the network setting if the problem persists. Go back to the main settings, go to the general, and then what you're going to do, scroll a little bit down to transfer reset iPhone, and make sure that you click reset from here and click reset network settings, right? This clears all saved network configurations but can fix persistent issues, all right? Disable the Wi-Fi assist. On to the next step, you need to disable the cellular data. So go back to the main settings and make sure that your cellular data is toggled off, okay? And make sure that so you can prevent any automatic switching to cellular when Wi-Fi is weak. Ensure the router is functioning properly and you're within range. Contact your internet service provider to check for outages. Lastly, you need to make sure that your iOS is fully updated. Go to the general software update and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes. And one last step, you need to turn off the VPN by scrolling a little bit down in the general settings. Go to not the transfer reset iPhone, VPN and device management, and make sure if you use an VPN, disable it temporarily as it can interfere with connectivity. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.